Hello everyone! How are you feeling today? Hi Bonbon, high five! Today is a really special day because we have a new game! We have a new game! What do we have in here? Magnetic Building Cubes! Very nice! And it's called GobiDex! Oh wow, let's see! What's this? It looks nice, but we need to see what's inside. Alright, magnetic building cubes. Build a 3D mag world for more fun. Alright, let's see. Let's open the box. Wow, so colorful. I love it. I think we're going to have a lot of fun, Bonbon. And we have some... Ooh, okay, alright. Bonbon doesn't have any patience.
Yes.
So we have 48 pieces. Alright, we're going to play with 48. Alright. More pieces. Alright, so 48.
Oh,
48,
yeah.
that means we have 96 pieces to play. Awesome. Alright, let's open. I think they're the same, right? So let's open both of them. We have 2 sets. One for you and one for me. Alright. Alright. Let's see. We have some instructions in here. Oh, we have characters. Isn't that really cool? Characters, let's see. One of them is, of course, Lumberjack. We have Lumberjack. All right, can you find the piranha? Where's the piranha? This one. Where is the piranha's face, really? Oh, look. The piranha. We need the red mushroom. This is the red mushroom.
Wow!
And this is the chick. All right, where's the piggy? Yes, good job, Bonbon. We have the piggy. What about the fox? Where's the fox? It needs to be orange, I think. So, yeah, you were right. Here's the fox. All right, the fox. What about the glare monster? Queen. This is not the monster. This looks like a tree. Yeah, something like that, or a meadow. Yes, look, the glare monster. What else? The yellow mushroom. Where's the yellow mushroom? Is this the yellow mushroom? Another one. This is the little monster.
Good job.
And this is the energy star. Right, Bonbon, just slowly. The unknown block because it has a question mark. So actually, it can be anything.
Yes!
What if this block is Bonbon? The unknown block.
Yes!
What's this? Flame. Ooh, flames. Flame. Flame. All right. What about this? What's this? This is the otter. All right. Let's play with these magnetic cubes. All right. Look at that. You know what's really interesting with these ones? Look, they're magnetic.
Oh, yeah!
Look. Look at that. And they're magnetic in here as well. What if I do this? See? It's so diverse. Look at that. You want to build something, Bonbon? I have an idea. A contest like a challenge between you and me. So who's going to build something like a landscape? Who's going to be faster? You or me? All right, 48 pieces for you. Oh, look at that! How they stick to each other, look. Woo! Nice. Look, right, 48 pieces for you. We need to make sure you have 48 pieces.
Yes.
Just stop it. You need to wait. All right? 48 pieces for Bonbon and 48 for me. Do you have 48 in there? Let's count them. So, 1,
Oh, yeah!
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Look at that. Woo! 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3. Look at that. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9, 10. Look at that. All right, so I need to give you 2. So 48 for you, 48 for me.
Hooray!
Are you ready, Bonbon?
Yes.
Are you ready? All right. Ready, steady, go. Let's build something really interesting. Okay. Oh, wow. Look at that. This magnet is so strong. Look. It's like it's staying in the air. Wow, this is so cool. Okay. Very, very interesting.
Oh, yeah.
Right.
Wow. Oh, yeah.
Oh, you are faster than me. All right, just give me a moment so I will place this somewhere. Where? In here. All right. Oh, wow. What's that, Bonbon? That looks really, really cool. Good job. Oh, wow. And look at this tall tower in here. Amazing. And you have like a fence in here. What's this? Yeah, very nice. Very good structure, I'm telling you. Good job. And what about me? Oh, look at mine. So, oh, wow. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. Let's take a look. So, what's this? This is like a farm where Lumberjack takes care of this farm. And here we have the pig and the chick. It's like a farm with a tower. And Lumberjack is the guardian of these animals, the pig and the chick. All right, you're trying to create a tower. Whoa, really nice. you know, you don't have to build anything if you don't want to. You can just play with them just like that. It's so relaxing, I'm telling you. This is a really cool game and a really cool toy for kids. And not only, this is good for adults as well, so they can relax. Just like that. It's relaxing. It's like a sensory play as well. And you can be really creative. You just have to use your imagination. For example, you can imagine this is the ocean. Ooh, the ocean because it's blue. So we have the ocean in here. Ta-da! Ta-da! And what if, Bonbon, do you want to see some flames in the ocean? Flames in the ocean. Oh, flames in the ocean. Have you ever seen something like this? Flames in the ocean. Woo, woo. Look at that.
Wow.
Really cool. What's that? We have the ocean, we have flames in the ocean, and a piranha in the ocean. Oh, this is really funny, I'm telling you. Blue, something blue. With something red. Let's separate the blue ones and now let's find the red ones so we can learn the colors. Blue, red. Can you pass me all the red ones, please?
Good job.
All right, perfect. Blue, red. This looks red. It has a bit of cream and white in it as well, but yeah.
Yes.
Most of it, it's red. Red and blue. Okay,
Yes.
The green ones. Let's have some green ones in here. So you can learn colors as well. Green, green, green. Thank you. Green, green. This has brown and green as well. Let's place it in here. Brown and green, red and blue. Okay, now some brown ones, please. Brown, 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 brown. Right, and something with yellow in it. We have some yellow ones as well. Yellow. There's a bit of black too. That's fine. Okay. So we have yellow cubes in here with a bit of black. We have brown ones. We have green ones. Red, blue, multicolored. Really, oh, and gray. Gray with white. Gray with white. Look at that. Really nice. Oh, I like this one.
Good job.
Yes. Yes.
Oh wow, Bonbon! You have a really cool and interesting building in here. It's like an abstract structure. Good job you. And good job me. Look at that. Oh wow.
Oh yeah.
What are you doing? Oh my goodness. All right, let's play again. This is really cool. And I must say, you will love it too.